Get ready to be amazed as we dive into the rich tapestry of Poland, a country that's not only steeped in history but also brimming with fascinating surprises. Today we're uncovering the top 5 fun facts about Poland that you probably didn't know. Poland has a lot more to offer than meets the eye. Kicking off our list is a mysterious wonder known as the Cricket Forest. Nestled in Gryfino, Poland, this eerie grove consists of approximately 400 pine trees, each with a 90-degree bend at its base. The reason behind this bizarre phenomenon remains a puzzle, sparking endless speculation and curiosity among locals and visitors alike. Imagine strolling through a forest where the trees seem to defy gravity. Poland's Cricket Forest is truly a natural enigma. Did you know that Poland is the amber capital of the world? The coastal region, especially around Gdansk, is a treasure trove for amber enthusiasts. Amber, known as Baltic gold, washes ashore along the Baltic Sea, and Poland has been crafting stunning amber jewelry for centuries. It's not just a gemstone, it's a piece of Poland's history and craftsmanship that you can wear. Prepare to be amazed by the Wieliczka salt mine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that extends over 287 kilometers, but here's the kicker, it's not just a mine. It's an underground wonderland. Discover chapels, sculptures, and even an entire cathedral, all carved from salt. This subterranean marvel is a testament to Poland's creativity and engineering prowess throughout the ages. Did you know that the groundbreaking scientist Marie Curie was born in Warsaw, Poland? She's the only person to have won Nobel Prizes in 2 different scientific fields, physics and chemistry. Poland takes immense pride in being the birthplace of this trailblazing woman who changed the course of scientific history. Wrapping up our list is a linguistic quirk, the Polish alphabet. With 32 letters, it's one of the most extensive alphabets in the world. But here's the fun part. There are letters like A, E, and L that add a unique twist to pronunciation. So if you've ever wondered why Polish words seem like a linguistic adventure, blame it on their fascinating alphabet. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 fun facts about Poland that are sure to leave you in awe. Have you visited Poland or stumbled upon any other mind-boggling facts? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey into Polish wonders. Until next time, stay curious and happy exploring!